Let's continue our discussion on organizing the business. Delegation is a process through which a manager allocates work to its subordinates. In delegating, the higher level manager assigns responsibility, grants authority, and creates accountability. So there are two forms of authority. Line authority is when authority flows in a direct chain of command from the top of the company to the bottom. Staff authority is authority based on expertise that usually involves counseling and advising line managers. Committee and team authority is an authority granted to committees or teams involved in a firm's daily operations. Work team is groups of operating employees who are empowered to plan, organize, and perform their own work with minimum supervision. In the next couple of slides, we're going to show you some different types of structures through different examples. So the first one is going to be line and staff organization. Then we have functional structure, which is an organization structure in which authority is determined by the relationships between group functions and activities. Then we have divisional structure, which is an organizational structure in which corporate division operates as autonomous business under the larger corporate umbrella. We have matrix structure, which is an organizational structure created by superimposing one form of structure onto another. In some companies, the matrix organization is a temporary measure installed to complete a specific project and affecting only one part of the firm. And here is an example of a matrix organization. Here we have an international organizational structures, approaches to organizational structure developed in response to the need to manufacture, purchase, and sell in global markets. Designed for the 21st century, we currently observe in many companies, team organization relies almost exclusively on project-type teams with little or no underlying functional supervision. Learning organization works to facilitate the lifelong learning and personal development. There are also informal organizations. Informal organizations are network unrelated to the firm's formal authority structure of everyday social interactions among company employees. Informal groups are groups of people who decide to interact among themselves.